Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to fix the Rubik's cube in 10 minutes. So let's start the video. And this three colors I have taken in the side, and two colors I have taken in the other side. So I have divided both the sizes, means both the different colors and numbers. So it's a green color, so we are starting from green and yellow. Then I want yellow and white. Sorry, green and white I want. mm, yeah, I got it, green and white. Then I want blue and white. Yeah, I got it. Yeah, so be little bit careful, do it slowly, otherwise it will broke and fell down. See, one fall down because it was blue and yellow was, I could not fix it. Little bit I did. Means I pressed it hardly, so it falling down. And now I'm going to first, guys. When you fix it, first fix the between colors, then start fitting the colors. And in the up, don't fit first the corners. First fit the uh, center one. So now, yeah, I got orange white. I joined it. I got orange and yellow also. I joined it. Now this is green and orange. Then I'll take orange and blue. Yeah. So be little bit careful, otherwise it will fall and you will fix it again and again. So then I'm going to take red. Now I'm starting red color. So first I'm going to take red and green. Yeah. Now I'm going to take red and blue. In that also I fixed only 4 corners. I'll fit in the last. After finishing this two, now only two left. So let's finish it. Now I'm going to take red and white. Then I am going to take red and yellow. Yeah. And now I'm going to take corners. I'm going to fix only corners because all the between shapes are already fixed. Means I have fixed. Now only corner is left. So let's finish the corner. So already I have fixed one corner. Yeah. Then after fixing it, the last piece was very hard. So I am fixing now orange, green, and white. Now I'm going to fix orange, green, yellow. Yeah, orange, green, yellow. Three pieces I already fixed of the corner. Now I'm going to fix last piece of the corner in orange color. Then I will start the red color. Yeah, so I'm going to fix the orange, blue, and yellow. So I finished the orange and all the colors almost. Just corners are left. Only 4 corners. Yeah, now I'm going to take red, yellow, and blue. Then I'm going to take the red, white, and blue. Yeah. Then I'm going to take green, white, red. Then I'm going to take yellow, green, red. Then our Rubik's cube is finished, and the last piece was very hard for me, so I tried with spoon. So I was trying it. I gave too much of force, but I could not. Then I thought I should take a spoon, then try it. So it's only 10 minutes. Take it 10 minutes time and you can fix the Rubik's cube. And then this is last was very hard. You also be careful. If you press too much, then it will break. So be careful. Then I tried with a spoon. I taken a small or big any spoon you can take. I taken spoon. Then I only one small piece of the Rubik's cube in the corner I put in the hole. Then I tried with spoon, so it was solved. So I'm trying to put, but it's not going inside. Yeah. So let's try with spoon. I tried in the video also, but I could not. So I kept my hand and I taken a spoon, but it. I tried in the video also, but I could not do it. So then I stopped the video in between and I started fixing it with spoon. And in 2 minutes it was fixed, and this video is in yeah, I fixed it, and this video is in 7 minutes or 8 minutes. Yeah, I have fixed two full, and the colors are also in proper places. So I'm very happy. Thank you guys for watching this video. And now this is a method you can do like this, and same backwards you do same thing, then you can take the color. Means actually I shuffled it, no, so I was little bit confused. So I paused the video and I saw you. Yes, so I paused the video and I showed you that I have finished. So thank you for watching this video. Bye guys. Please like, share and comment and subscribe my channel. Bye guys.